Right, so hopefully you've got a gist of what it can do. I'm going to wrap this up because it's coming up to 30 minutes long, and I didn't want to drag it out too long for you. What I'll do on my website, if you go to paulnicholson.teachable.com, I'll set up. I'm not sure if I already have actually. I don't think I have an Acuity scheduling training course that's free. My previous logged out. I don't know if it'll show you. Yeah, all my training's free. What I'll do is I'll put a course in where I'll put all these lessons in order. I'll add a place where you can ask custom questions. So if you've got questions where how do I do this, Paul? How do I set up PayPal? How do I do this? If Acuity don't already have a video that I can quickly share with you, I'll create a video for you and put it on there. I want you to get the most out of it. I want you to enjoy doing it. I want you to integrate it with other softwares, and I can do videos for you on this. I really like the Zoom setup where if you've got to set up a video call, it will automatically set up a Zoom meeting and the person gets an email. I think it's really cool. I think it's really easy to use. I don't personally do one-on-one um, um, appointments or classes or things like that. But if I did, I would use Acuity. It just looks cool. It's got a nice look and feel to it. I think the pricing's very good for what it does, and it's just easy to use. It's one of them programs that makes sense when you dive into it. So thanks for watching. Any questions? Jump into the comments. Ask anything. I will try and help. I will be putting more and more videos out on how to do things on Acuity and I'm always here to help. So just dive in, ask me anything you need. Don't get stuck. It's free to sign up. If you use my partner link, I get a little bit of money. pnuk.co/Acuity, and hopefully everybody does great. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.